In this video, we will show you how to create a beautiful and simple invitation card in Microsoft Word in just 1 minute. Perfect for any event, this quick and easy method will have you designing professional looking invitation in no time. So let's start the video. Go back to Insert, click on Picture, select this and insert it. Go to Format, select in front of text from Wrap Text and adjust like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Text Box. Go to Format, select No Fill from Shape Fill. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Save the date here. Go to Format, then Align Center. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Add bride and groom name here. Again press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Add beach wedding here. Because the marriage is done in the open environment at a place like the beach without getting married in traditional way, it is called as a beach wedding. Again press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Add wedding date here. Add wedding time and address here. Go to Format, change the color, and that's how you create a beautiful invitation card in MS Word in just 1 minute. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video.